solar system, we can say that formation is a dynamic process that resulted in the distinct celestial bodies. What are these celestial bodies? The planets, the moon, and the asteroids, they form celestial body. So we can say that the formation of the solar system is a dynamic process that resulted in the distinct celestial bodies we observe in our cosmic neighborhood. The inner rocky planets, which include the planet Earth, close to the sun, while the outer gas giants, like the Jupiter, by the time we study the solar system, we are going to divide the solar system or the planet into the inner planet and the outer planet. So the inner rocky planets, including the Earth, form closer to the sun, while the outer gas giants like Jupiter and Saturn form far outside, where the solar nebula contain more volatile elements. See that understanding the Big Bang theory and has helped us in understanding the formation of the solar system. Formation of the planets. What are those things that we need to take into cognizance for the planet to be formed and that planet to be habitable planet? So I will go to the whiteboard to write some of the 5 criteria or things that are essential that we must have before we can. This is a planet. And that is why, aside the planet we have known, 2 years ago, other planets were proposed to make up the one we have already known. But now, the planets that are proposed are still going through some investigation before they can be eventually accepted to be planet. So let's go to the whiteboard where we are going to put up what are those needs that we need in order that we can say a planet is habitable. So what do we need? Do we need to build? What do we need to build a habitable planet? For us to build or to have habitable planets, one essential thing that we need is there must be one. We need a stable energy source. Let us take, for instance, the planet Earth that we live. How is life going to be without any source? that we get particularly from the sun. So for a planet to be habitable, there must be a stable energy source. First condition for a planet to be habitable is that there must be a stable energy source. So this is essential for us to say a planet is habitable. The central star in this case is referred to as the sun, should not be too cold or too hot. The temperature must range between 4,000 Kelvin to 7,000 Kelvin. So the sun radiates at this temperature. The sun gives energy at this temperature. We also need a stable habitable zone, which is defined by the presence of liquid water of the water, which we call the hydrosphere. One
And my eyes doing me. Did I just become the host?
Sorry, is class over already?